I'm Shilpi Sahu and I am been treated in Fortis Bannerghatta Rd, Bangalore. Cancer is not a taboo and it's not something that anyone should be scared of and be backed off about. For someone like me who had got to know this disease incidentally through a health check, and I got to know that it is in the advanced stage, immediately I was taken care by the hospital doctors, especially Dr. Niti and team, Dr. Madhu, Dr. Dhyaneshwaran, and all the team in the radiation team, and everyone, all the nursing staff, everyone have been so supportive. It's all about how you take the treatment and how you accept the fact that you have something, whether it is in the initial stage or it is in the advanced stage. So I have been, and my entire family, I have 2 small kids and my husband and my in-laws, my sisters and everyone have been shocked and surprised in the beginning. But then when they got to know I have been treated, because the concern and the procedures, the method that was taken to immediately act upon and take care of all the areas that had the cancer cells. It was amazing and it is a miracle, I would say. God has been really kind to be able to give the abled doctors to take care of the treatment and take care of the entire situation. And the comfort that I get at Fortis by the doctors for the treatment, I do not feel like a patient. I do not behave like a patient. Neither do I have that fear that, oh, it is cancer and I may not survive. And that's not it. I am fighting and I will be all right. I am all right. I'm seeing the result. So all I have to tell here is that when you get to know, do not hesitate to share with anyone, and do not hesitate to walk into a hospital and reach out to the doctor and share the information that you have, whatever diagnosis you have found out, and reach out to the right doctors and the right treatment, and trust the doctor that they will cure you, because his or she has been given the ability by the Almighty to cure you. So there is nothing to be feared about. It's not a bad thing to have cancer, and be it any other disease for that matter. All we have to do is have the positive attitude towards the treatment, towards the disease, that the disease will not remain in your body, and follow a routine and diet that is prescribed or suggested by the doctors, so that your cure is more permanent. And I would say that the hospital at Fortis and the doctors, Dr. Niti and team, has been fantastic. And I have had many experiences with my parents going through several treatments. In fact, my own mother was a cancer patient, but I have seen many hospitals in Bangalore. But the care, the concern, the attention that you get from the doctors here, the Dr. Niti and team especially, where even if I have a doubt, if I am not feeling too well after the chemotherapies, I reach out at any point, I get the response immediately. And I really appreciate the kind of personal support that they give to each and every patient. And if you have been diagnosed, I would say that immediately do not hesitate to reach out to doctors. In allopathy, a lot of people will tell you that, do naturopathy, homeopathy, and whatever treatment that is other than allopathy, because it is a fear that our generation, our country has, that we do not have confidence in allopathy for some reason. But there are advanced technologies, there are targeted methods that are utilized, curing treatment that is given, especially for me, that I have advanced stage of cancer, which has been phenomenally cured. And we have seen in multiple scans that I have been cured almost, I would say, 100%. And I thank the entire team of Fortis and entire Dr. Niti's team, that they have done a wonderful job and they are still continuing to support in the treatment. I still have the treatment going on, but I am sure and confident that I am out of it. I still have a long way to go and be of some help to the people. Thank you.
Shilpi was visiting us for her mother-in-law and was routinely in our touch. But her employer insisted that she should have an annual health examination, in which she had a regular chest X-ray, in which she found out a lung mass. Now, unfortunately, I mean, after this, she came to us, and this we biopsied and we found out was positive for a cancerous cell known as adenocarcinoma of the lung. And when we did a scan, she actually had lesions, a single lesion in the brain and a single lesion in the liver as well. A blood testing known as liquid biopsy and subsequently also a tissue biopsy showed that she had EGFR expression. Now, for a non-smoker Indian woman, almost 30% of them will have EGFR expression. And since she had this lesion which had also gone to the brain, we started on a drug called osimertinib, and at this point in time she is doing extremely well with complete response.